Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where today we're taking a closer look at the Dirt Devil SD2000 Red Simpli-Stik lightweight corded bagless stick vacuum in red. Whether you're tackling carpets, hard floors, or upholstery, the versatile vacuum, this 3-in-1 versatile vacuum claims to have the power to make cleaning a breeze. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into it and find out. The Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik is designed to be a lightweight powerhouse, perfect for those looking for something easy to maneuver while still offering solid cleaning performance. It's corded, meaning you won't have to worry about running out of battery mid-clean, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer uninterrupted cleaning sessions. What stands out about this vacuum is its 3-in-1 design. It can be used as a stick vacuum, a handheld vacuum, and even a stair or upholstery cleaner, giving you a range of flexibility in how you tackle messes around your home. With a convenient onboard turbo tool for pet hair and stubborn dirt, this vacuum seems equipped to handle more than just your average dust bunnies. In terms of performance, the Simpli-Stik offers solid suction power that works across both carpets and hard floors. The 4-level floor height adjustment ensures it adapts to different surfaces with ease, while the Spin4Pro brush roll and Clean Path technology help grab dirt deep in the fibers. Pet owners will appreciate the inclusion of the turbo tool, designed to lift embedded pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and even stairs. It seems like this vacuum could be a good match for homes that deal with pets and various messes. But let's break down how all these features stack up in real-world use. Assembling the Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik is straightforward. No complicated steps, just a few clicks, and you're good to go. In practice, it's lightweight and easy to push around, even when you're cleaning larger areas. The cord is long enough to allow a decent range of movement, but you may need to plug and unplug a few times when cleaning large rooms or moving between spaces. On hardwood floors and tiles, the vacuum glides smoothly, picking up dust and small debris with minimal effort. When it comes to carpets, the real test begins. The suction power does a decent job of picking up dirt from low-pile carpets, though it's not as effective on thicker carpets where deeper cleaning is needed. The adjustable height helps, but on thicker rugs, you might need to go over the area a few times to get it all. One area where this vacuum excels is with pet hair. The onboard turbo tool is a game changer when cleaning up after pets. It removes embedded hair from upholstery, furniture, and even stairs, making it a must-have for pet owners. It's surprisingly effective on those tough-to-reach spots, and the dirt cup empties easily with the press of a button, so no mess is left behind. Another bonus is the overall weight of the vacuum. At just a few pounds, it's easy to carry around and use in handheld mode. This is especially helpful when you need to clean above your head or get into tight corners. The Simpli-Stik is also reasonably quiet compared to some other vacuums in its price range, making it less disruptive during cleaning sessions. Of course, no vacuum is perfect, and the Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik does have some areas for improvement. The biggest issue is probably the suction power on high-pile carpets or heavily soiled areas. While it performs well on low-pile carpet and hard floors, thicker carpets tend to challenge its suction abilities, meaning you might need to give those areas extra attention. Additionally, the cord length, though adequate for most spaces, could be limiting in larger homes, requiring multiple plugs and some juggling. When it comes to maintenance, the vacuum is relatively low maintenance. The filter is rinsable, extending the vacuum's life, and the dirt cup is easy to empty. However, it doesn't have a self-cleaning brush roll, so pet hair may sometimes get tangled around the bristles, requiring you to manually clean it out. Now, is this vacuum a good deal for the price? The Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik comes at an affordable price point, making it a great entry-level vacuum for people who need a versatile, easy-to-use option for smaller spaces or homes with lighter cleaning needs. It's not going to be the powerhouse for deep cleaning large, thick carpets or large homes, but it shines in homes that need something lightweight and quick for daily or weekly touch-ups. The inclusion of the turbo tool for pet hair adds significant value for pet owners, and the 3-in-1 functionality is a nice bonus for those who need a multi-purpose vacuum. If you're considering similar vacuums, there are a few alternatives in this price range. For instance, the Shark Rocket corded stick vacuum offers more suction power and a slightly more robust design for those who need something with more cleaning strength for thicker carpets. However, the Simpli-Stik is significantly lighter, making it easier to handle for those who prioritize maneuverability. The Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hardwood Floor Corded Vacuum is another strong contender, particularly for homes with more hard floors and pet messes. But again, it lacks the versatility and lightweight design of the Simpli-Stik. As far as build quality goes, the Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik feels solid for its price. The plastic isn't premium, but it's durable enough for the vacuum's intended purpose. The connections are secure and the components fit together without any wobbling. The Dirt Cup is easy to clean, and the Turbo Tool is convenient for pet hair removal. Over time, you might see some wear, especially in the brush roll if it's used frequently on pet hair or long hair, but overall, it should last for a while with regular maintenance. Overall, the Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik lightweight corded bagless stick vacuum is a solid option for those looking for a budget-friendly, versatile vacuum for lighter to medium cleaning tasks. It's best for smaller homes, apartments, or as a secondary vacuum for quick cleanups in pet-friendly homes. If you need more power for deep carpet cleaning or larger areas, you may want to look into other options, but for the price and ease of use, it's hard to go wrong with the Simpli-Stik. If you're interested, the link to grab this vacuum is in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions or thoughts about the Dirt Devil, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Goodbye until next time, and may your floors always be spotless.